How to use the Threads app. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily use the Threads app, make posts in it, and follow and unfollow people here. First thing you're going to have to do is open up the Threads. This is an application that's connected with your Instagram account. So you don't need to make any other accounts to use this. You can just use your Instagram account to start using Threads. So just open it up. Now from here, you can just click on your Instagram account that you want to continue with. Once you tap on your account, you should be taken directly to your Threads app. Now here you'll find your feed curated for you, and you could also follow the people that you follow on Instagram to get similar kind of posts here. Now on your home screen at the very top, you can see something called What's New right below your username. You can tap on it and then you can write your first threads. This is pretty similar to Twitter or X, so it's very user friendly and the learning curve is not that hard. So once you tap on your thread, if you want to add anything else to your thread, you can just add multiple things to a single thread. So I'm just going to add multiple things here. And once you have done that, you could also add pictures from your gallery by tapping on the gallery icon. So I'm just going to tap on it to insert a picture. Here I've selected an image from the gallery. If you want, you could also add GIFs. So if you tap on GIFs, there are different kind of things that you can add from here. So let me just add a random GIF here. So I'm just gonna tap on this one, the birthday cake. Once that is done, you can just tap on the post option and you've successfully posted your thread. Now, the next thing you can do is find the Explore tab, which is right besides the home icon at the bottom. If you tap on it, you can follow different people from here. So let me just follow these people that I'm friends with on Instagram. And if you want to create a new thread or share a story on Instagram, you could just tap on try it, and you can share your thread as a story. If you tap on the plus icon, you'll be directly taken to the page where you can post a new thread. Now, if you tap on the heart icon, this will be your notification section. All of your account activities will be shown on here. And if you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, you'll land on your profile page and you'll find all of the threads that you've previously posted. And once you have done that, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then once you tap on it, you can add a picture of yourself. You can go to the search bar and follow people and other accounts as well. And if you want to unfollow them, just tap on the follow button again to unfollow. So this is how you can basically use threads. These are some of the basic features that you can use here. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.